Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust UE scale in Davinci Resolve. So let's get straight into it. Now, what you need to do is head over here to the top left corner and click on Davinci Resolve. Then head over here to Preferences. All right. Now toggle from the System tab to User tab, and then go from select from this sidebar uh, UI settings. All right, the first one here. Look toward the bottom of the window to find the UE display scale parameter row. Click the adjustment drop-down selector. You will see three explicit scaling options, basically four. We have 100, 150, and 200, and also auto. So as you can see, I have on auto. If you want the application to automatically mirror your native desktop operation system scale, so I have set on auto. Then what you are going to do is simply just save, restart DaVinci Resolve, and this is how you can adjust UE scale in DaVinci Resolve. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next